there's my lunch. I'm feeling a bit better than I did this morning, mainly due to getting the coconut water and drinking some of that. It kind of replenished everything that I've been losing, and it seems to have helped with going to the toilet as well, or not going to the toilet. I've made the green one from the original juice from the movie Fat, Sick and Almost Dead. Kale, cucumber, ginger, lemon, celery. I added a little bit of broccoli because I didn't have that much kale, and I put some coconut water in it again, and I also put some protein powder in because I've got training tonight, which I'm a little bit worried about, whether I'm going to have the energy and stamina to do it because it's quite intensive training. So I put some protein powder in and hope that will fill me up, get me a bit stronger, give me a bit more energy. It's nice actually. The protein powder makes it taste more like food. It's made it a bit thicker. I'm using hemp protein powder, organic hemp protein powder, so it's nothing nasty or anything, it's completely natural, and I think it's a good way of adding extra protein in it. Obviously the vegetables, if you get all the right ones in, you're getting your protein. Some vegetables have more than others, some don't, but I just felt like I needed that extra top up, and I'm just kind of I'm doing intuitive juicing. What I feel like eating and feel like juicing, I juice, and I felt like adding some protein into it, so I did. Hopefully I shall start to feel a bit better. I'm feeling much better than I did this morning though, so yay, huh? It's actually quite nice. I think I may have put a bit too much lemon in it, or maybe the lemon was quite juicy that I used. It was quite a big lemon. I can mainly taste lemon, which is good because the kale doesn't taste immensely great. Bella is trying to feed the cat a piece of parsley right now. He doesn't look too interested, so I better go stop her force feeding him parsley. Bye!